Hello everybody and welcome to another great adventure on RJB Wildlife. Today we are doing the first of what I hope will be many species spotlights here on the channel. Today we are talking about the Bornean sun bear. And basically with this series we're just going to be going through some facts, a little bit of education about the species here at the San Diego Zoo and the Safari Park. There will be a blend of both. But right now we're going to start with the species that I love here and is a little bit of a hidden gem in a very quiet area here at the park. The sun bear is going to be the smallest bear on the planet. One way you can tell them apart is going to be the bright orange mark on the center of their chest. That is unique to the sun bear. Now there's another bear in Asia called the Asiatic black bear that is going to have a white mark on its chest. It has also earned the name moon bear. The thing that's super unique about the sun bear is its fur specifically. It's going to be a very short fur. In comparison to many other bears, like you'll see with the polar bear here at the San Diego Zoo, which is going to be a long, insulated fur. This is a very short fur that's friendly for the tropical environments that it inhabits. Sun bears are going to be a primarily omnivorous animal, so their diet's going to consist of small animals, insects, grubs that they find, but they really love honey, and bees are going to be a part of their diet as well. Fruits, vegetables, all of that stuff. But when you think about that with the bees, they're also the most arboreal of the bear species that are extant or still living. These are going to be very tree-dwelling animals. They're going to sleep in hollows. They're going to try to stay away from the tigers and packs of dogs that reside on the islands of Indonesia and specifically the mainland of Thailand and Malaysia, which is where they hail from. There are two subspecies of sun bear. They are going to be the Bornean and the Malayan, which here at the San Diego Zoo you will see Bornean sun bears, which are the smaller of the subspecies. The one thing you'll notice about this bear upon first glance is how large their claws are in comparison to their paw and body size. That's going to be an adaptation mainly for tearing up bark for grubs. It's going to also be useful for tearing up beehives, so where they get to their honey. So on the IUCN Red List, they are currently listed as vulnerable, which is right in between the stable designation and the endangered designation. Some of the things that are affecting this species population and threatening them for endangerment is going to be the palm oil industry, which is a plague throughout Indonesia. They'll be destroying the rainforests and planting palm trees for palm oil products. And then another one is just going to be human interference and human habitation. So in areas where humans are active, you'll see a more nocturnal population of sun bear, whereas they naturally are diurnal. Here at the San Diego Zoo, there are 5 current species of bears that they house here. Soon, here late in the summer, we're going to get the 6th, which is the giant panda. But in this habitat here, it's one of the quietest places here at the zoo that you can go view the Malayan or Bornean sun bear. The main viewing for the habitat has all of the tree structures that would be endemic to the species that we're talking about here, but the second viewing area is going to be more of a dense, lush forest look, which is going to be more realistic to how you would be viewing these bears in the wild. You got a little pool down here that is a nice, just little aesthetic for us people, but also it's good for the bears. It's a nice little waterfall for them. Here at the zoo there is one sun bear. She's a girl, and she's a part of this exhibition called Sun Bear Forest, which opened in 1989. It is also home to some Francois langurs and an aviary that has some Asian ornithological fauna and another primate habitat that used to be for lion-tailed macaques. So I hope you enjoyed today's species spotlight. Again, this is the first of what I hope will be many, and I hope you guys gained some knowledge of these animals and were able to sympathize with their conservation efforts in the wild. Again, if you're at the grocery store and you see a product that may contain palm oil, don't have the list in front of me, but down the line, in like the tiger video that we'll eventually do, I will be sure to get a list. An orangutan video, we will be sure to get a list for that. Help out by not purchasing any palm oil products, because a lot of that is based out of Indonesia, where these animals are from. So in order to help out in the conservation efforts, use your wallet. Your wallet will help more to save these animals than you think. So again, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like. And if you really enjoyed this video, subscribe and share with any of your friends in case they are animal enthusiasts like myself. And I hope you'll join me on another adventure on RJB Wildlife.